Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how you can buy makeup, and that too affordable makeup, and what all things you should have in a beginner's makeup kit. Because I know that when you are a teenager, you are so much into makeup and you really want to purchase everything, but you do not know what's actually right and how you can buy it on a budget. So in today's video, everything is going to be on a budget. I think only 2 or 3 things are above 600, rest all are below 600. As Christmas, Black Friday, so many things are coming up. It's literally like the shopping season, and I thought why not share all of these products with you so that you can buy it on a budget. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. To begin with this video, I want to tell you all that no, you cannot apply makeup on your bare face. It is so important to moisturize, to hydrate your face, and that's why you really need to invest in a very good moisturizer. And hence I have this very good moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer for 6 to 7 years now, and trust me, I have emptied so many bottles of this. This is the Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel, and it retails for 475 rupees. Also, it's for acne prone skin. So I have an acne prone skin and I cannot just apply anything on my face. Also, I have one more option, like you can apply aloe vera gel on your skin, and that is so inexpensive and you can use it as a moisturizer. Now comes primer. For primer, I have the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I do not have any other options in this category because it is the best kind of primer I have used, and this retails just for 499 rupees. Also, as a beginner, I didn't really use primer and I didn't know the benefits of using a primer, but trust me guys, primer really makes a difference in your makeup. Like, this primer is a silicone based primer and it fills in your pores so well. I mean, I cannot explain that, and it makes your skin feel so soft that after this you can so easily apply a foundation. Now, foundation, you should definitely have this foundation. It is the Maybelline Matteless Poreless Foundation, and it is going to suit each and every skin type, no matter if you have oily, combination, or dry skin or normal skin. It is just going to suit every skin type. And if you are a college going girl or an office going girl, or if you apply makeup on an everyday basis, this is a lifesaver. Also, applying this formula is so easy, and it is one of the best formulas when it comes to foundation, because I have struggled with foundation and I know it is very difficult to find your right shade also. And this foundation, they have so many shades in this one, so just go for it. Also, I might be wrong with some of the prices, but I am definitely going to put it up here or here on the screen. Now for concealers, I again have 2 options. The first one is my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This concealer, I mean, it is one of the best formulas. It is so lightweight. You can easily just wear it and all your acne scars and your dark circles are going to disappear after you wear this. It is such a good formula because I have worn it so many times to college, and if you have a pimple and then you do not want that scar to show up on your face, you can easily just wear this and you need not even apply foundation. It is that good. It is medium coverage. They say it is medium coverage, but it is medium to high coverage. You can easily build it up. It is just one of the best formulas and you need to have this. So this is one of the products that is expensive, like it is for 675 rupees. It is going to make your dark circles and your acne scars disappear like anything. Also, I have one more option for you. This is the reasonable one, and it is the Fit Me concealer. So if you are a college going girl or an office going girl, just have this and you can apply it on an everyday basis. It is a lightweight concealer. I am in the shade caramel, and you know, I've applied it so many times to office. It is such a good product, and both of these products are great, but if you are looking for something that is medium to high coverage, I would say go for LA Girl, and if you are just looking for an everyday kind of concealer, go for this one. So for loose powder, I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Before I started using this, I did not really know the importance of using a loose powder, but I mean, we all want our makeup to stay in place and stay all day, and hence it is so important to use a loose powder. This makes your makeup stay in place all day, and your makeup isn't going to melt if you use this. Also, it gives you a good coverage, so you need not worry about that. And it is one of the products which is a bit expensive, like it is more than 600 rupees, but again, it is very good. You should have it in your makeup kit, so just go for it. Now for eyes, let's come to eyeliner. So this product is from Lakme. It is the Lakme eyeliner, and it is hands down the best eyeliner. I have been using this for 6 years now, and I've never thought of changing it. It's just for 100 or 115 rupees, and this is the most cheap and most inexpensive product in the entire video. It is so good. I mean, you really need to have this because the tip of the brush is so good. It makes the application so easy. You can easily get an eye, a winged eye with this one. I have made one. Also, it stays in place all day, and I have got so many compliments for my eyeliner, for my winged eyeliner during my college days, and it just makes you feel a lot more confident. So go for this one. And also they have, I guess, 3 more shades, and I also have the blue one in this, so definitely recommend this. So for mascara, I again have 2 options for you guys. So the first one is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and again, this product is highly underrated, and that's what I feel about it, because it's so good and so inexpensive, and it elongates your lashes. It gives you that perfect volume and everything that you need in one mascara. And you know, just look at the packaging, it is so cute. So the other option that I have is again from Maybelline. So it is the Volume Express Hyper Curl Washable Very Black Eyeliner. I have spent my college life wearing this with a lipstick, and it is one of the best ones. It gives you that perfect volume. I mean, I feel Maybelline has such good mascaras at such affordable prices. Okay, so for blush, I have the blush by Kiko Milani. It says it's Smart Color Blush. Also, this is the shade, and it's a corally pinkish kind of shade, and it is definitely going to suit all Indian skin tones. Also, if you are a beginner and you do not want to buy everything possible, so make sure you buy products that have multiple uses. Like what I used to do when I was in college, I didn't have a blush. So what I used to do is I used to use my lipstick, and I used to apply the same on my cheeks as a cheek tint. So that way you can save a lot of money and buy everything on a budget. So when it comes to eyeshadow, I again have 2 options, and this eyeshadow palette is just everything that you need in your makeup kit, because it has 2 matte shades and 8 shimmer shades, which is so good, and also it is under 500 rupees. So I definitely recommend this one. Also, I've created this eyeshadow look with this one, and I definitely recommend this for a beginner. You can create so many eye makeup looks. Also, the pigmentation of all the shades is so good. I'll swatch one of these for you. One matte shade and one shimmer shade. So this one is the brown and this one is the shimmer shade. As you can see, one con is that there is a little bit of fallout, but you can definitely use this palette in multiple ways because they have some brown shades and some shimmer shades too. So you can definitely use the brown one as a contour and the shimmer one as a highlighter. So that's just a win-win. Also for eyeshadow, I have one more very reasonable eyeshadow, and it is by Wet n Wild. Again, it is the liquid catsuit eyeshadow by Wet n Wild, and I am in the shade Cashmere Love. So this is a very shimmery kind of shade. You should definitely check this one. It is so shimmery. Look at that. I mean, the pigment is so good, and you can just apply this and you're ready to go for a party, and you do not need any other eyeshadow. They do have a lot more shades in this one, so make sure you check it out. Also, the eyeshadow palette that I mentioned, you can definitely use it as a contour if you really need one, and you need not invest in a contour as a beginner. You can just use your brown lipsticks or your brown eyeshadows as a contour. So for highlighter, my most favorite part is a highlighter. A very good highlighter can change your entire makeup. So if you're someone who wants that glow, I mean that bam look on your face and that instant glow, go for the Master Chrome by Maybelline. It is such a good one. Look at that. I mean, you need not even apply a lot, and it is that good. And this one is like that highlight on fleek wala highlighter. If you're going for a festive makeup look, definitely go for Master Chrome. It is one of the best highlighters in the market, that too on a budget. So when it comes to lipsticks, I was so confused as to which one to include, because there are such good formulas in the market, such good lipsticks, that too under 500 or even 300 rupees you get such good lipsticks, and hence I was that confused. But I have selected two lipsticks. Also, I have made a detailed video on my nude lipsticks, so make sure you check it out. I will definitely link it in the description box below. So this, I'll show you both of the shades. This one is the shade, and it looks a bit more pinky on lighter skin tones and a bit more browny on darker skin tones. So it is Rosy Sunday by Lakme from the 9 to 5 range. And again, I have a red shade for those festive looks and that perfect tomato red color for, and it's going to suit all skin tones. So this is the one for you. Perfectly pigmented, such a good lipstick, under budget. Both of them are under 500 rupees, so make sure you have it in your kit. So that's all from my side, guys. If you have any doubts or if you're planning to buy any of these, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have any doubts, please comment, and I'll be more than happy and glad to help you guys with it. And thank you for watching till the very end. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you get a notification as soon as I post a video. Also, I post videos every Saturday, and some of my fitness and health related videos are on my channel, so I'll definitely link it in the description box below, so make sure you check them as well. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.